To all you hot dog eaters that can't eat Spam, I got one thing to say to you. You guys are hypocrites. Hi, I'm Johnny Rowe, and today we're going to make some very simple Korean and Japanese Spam dishes that you can make at home. This video is perfect for the broadcast student that has a limited budget and that wants to have a good, hearty, Asian-style Spam meal, or just somebody that likes delicious food. And Spam is an awesome ingredient to use in multiple Asian-style dishes. So I'm gonna show you the basics of a few dishes so you get the idea how to incorporate Spam with some Asian ingredients. All right, let's crack this open. Oh, pink beauty right there. I got 1 can of Spam here, so hopefully I can make all my dishes with this. Oh yeah. Keep this tin, we're gonna use this later for one of our dishes. I'm just gonna put that right there as a nice display. Oh, you know what, let's cut it this way. Basically, all of these dishes consist of fried Spam. So let's fry these babies up and then we'll move on from there. Fried Spam is absolutely delicious. What I really love about this product is when you fry it up, it gets this crispy exterior, and then when you bite into it, you get this slight crunch, and everything about it is amazing. Spam is so good. Just gonna fry a few pieces here. Oh. We're gonna start off with the most simplest Spam dishes that we can prepare. The first one we're gonna make is a Korean style Spam kimbap. So what we have here is a sheet of nori, some seaweed, some sticky rice, fresh, it's nice and warm, not too hot, and your Spam. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some Spam and I'm gonna make some thin slices like that. So we get something like this. Very easy. Then you put on some rice. Just spread it across. This shouldn't be a very difficult thing. Just get it done real fast in a snap. If you want to fatten up your kids, this is a perfect way to do it with a little Spam and kimbap. I'm sure they'll gain some weight. And just roll it. Roll it, 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 roll it. Okay, there's a little excess, don't need that. It's like a Spam sushi roll almost, but we're gonna call it a kimbap. Boom, done. There it is, very basic Spam roll. And slice some pieces. Quick little snack here. Couple pieces of strips of Spam in there, rolled in some rice. That's so delicious because there's so much flavor in Spam. A simple dish like this, dip it in a little soy sauce. Wow. Okay, on to the next dish. All right, folks, the next dish here is one of my go-to lazy Spam meals. Don't forget your ham and eggs for breakfast. We got some Spam eggs and rice. So what we're going to need for this dish is a bowl of rice. Let's take some of our fried Spam, cut it into nice little halves, I guess. Okay, let's just make this look good. Making it look nice there. Okay, here I have my fried egg with the yolk intact. Ah, you know what? Let's make it a little Korean and add some store-bought kimchi or homemade kimchi, whatever kimchi you got. I love adding kimchi to my Spam eggs and rice. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of kimchi there. And then you have yourself a complete meal. You got your protein, spam, your carbs, and your veggies, your kimchi. Perfect. We're going to make a basic spam onigiri and musubi, so make sure to click on the next video to keep watching. Also, please consider subscribing to learn how to make more subpar looking delicious foods.